Hey guys, this is a set of directions for Friday 11-6. If you are using these directions from Mrs. Walter's class because she is currently out for some personal issues, you can go ahead and feel free to ask me questions by joining my Zoom. And to join my Zoom, right here is the meeting ID 937-0474-4998. And the passcode is Raiders. So like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to jump onto my Zoom for today, and I will do my best to answer them as best as possible. So directions for today's assignment, you need to first make sure that you have turned in your 11-5 assignment, Gift of the Nile, Intro to Egypt. That is a graded assignment. As you can see, I only have 39 of them turned in, and my classes have 96 students. So make sure that you are finishing that and getting it in because it is a graded assignment. To get to today's assignment, you're going to go ahead and click into the Enter Here button, which will take you to the current week's module. Today's assignment is 11-6, the Gift of the Nile DBQ. As I mentioned before, we are not doing the full writing portion of the DBQ. We are just using these to gain an understanding of how the Nile River helped to develop ancient Egypt into one of the most advanced civilizations that we are going to study. So we're going to click into the 11-6 assignment. Okay, and this is going to pull up a video. You should watch the video first. It's called The Nile, Where Egypt Began. After you watch the video, you're going to open up the assignment document by clicking what is highlighted in purple. And just like any other day, you're going to make a copy and change the title to reflect your first and last name. So we're going to file, make a copy, change the beginning of it to reflect our first and last names, and then make sure that you are dropping it into your Social Studies Egypt folder by clicking on My Drive, finding your Social Studies folder, and then clicking into Unit 3 Egypt. Once you have done that and you open up your own copy, you may click out of the original and go back to the directions. So in the directions, it states that there are 5 source documents in the assignment, all with questions. You will not do all of the documents. I'm going to repeat myself. You will not do all of the documents. You are going to pick 2 or 3 specific documents to complete, and those are your choice. As you complete the assigned documents, you're going to annotate by making note of the unknown words and their definitions, and then answer the questions to the best of your ability. So again, you can see that there are 5 documents. So document A is a map, and that has 5 questions. Document B is a chart about the Nile River flood cycle, and there are also 5 questions. Document C is a photo, so make sure that we are, or a picture, make sure that we are looking at the notes on the side, if that is the one you choose, and you answer, again, 5 questions. Document D is another picture. Make sure you are reading the notes and the items at the bottom. For this document, there are 4 questions that you need to answer. And document E is a hymn or a song to the Nile, and there are 5 questions with that. If you need to make any kind of annotations, you can't actually make annotations on the documents right now because of the type of file that this is. However, you can go into and click any of the regular text to make like a note and say you don't know what a word is. You would just type it in with the note and then the definition. Or if you were going to make a connection, you can do that by highlighting anything around the document, whether that's the document letter or things in the questions, like what is a hymn? Okay, so remember, you're not completing all 5. You may pick 2 or 3. Whatever you think is going to help you best understand the influence that the Nile River had on the development of ancient Egypt. This is not a graded assignment, so make sure that you finish working on it and do not turn it in, but you may turn in your other assignment from yesterday, the background essay. Good luck and have a great day.